So, hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing? And I am back with the Essence Soft Touch and Soft Glow. And so I thought I'd go ahead and get started. I did go ahead and use the NYX Glaze for my base today. And then I added in some of the Essence Drops of Sunshine, which is the highlighter. So I went ahead and mixed both of these together. And then for the cheek, I started with the Soft Touch. This is their coral shade. And so this way that it looks. And I actually put it on the bottom here instead of going ahead and using a bronzer. And then I also use the Soft Baked. And this is a different one, but so I did go ahead and use this pink right on the top of the cheekbone. And then I used the Soft Touch, which is another new one, and this is their highlighter. It kind of broke in transit, but I did go ahead and use this right on the tops of the cheeks. As far as the concealer today, I have the Essence Silky Blur, so that's what I have under the eyes. And then I did go ahead and use the Essence All About Soft Glow. This is going to be the powder that I have on as the finishing powder today. And with this one, this is the way it looks. It looks very white. And it almost looks like a translucent powder, but it does have some mica in here. It doesn't actually have glitter particles because I've been wearing it and I didn't see any glitter on there. And then as far as what I did for the eyeshadow today, with Valentines being around the corner, I went ahead and got out the Flourish by Inslee Rain. And so I did go ahead and start with this one in the crease, right above the crease. I did go ahead and put this one right on the inner corner lid. And then I put this one on the outer corner lid, put a little bit of this yellow right from here to here. And these are all very, very sparkly colors. So I thought that they would all go really well for Valentine's Day. This is the way the look came out. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the sparklier lip glosses and add that in. So one moment here. Okay, so I did go ahead and use the e.l.f. Plumping gloss and the Papaya, and then I went ahead and added some of the Profusion, and this is a glittery gloss on top. That's how that turned out. And I think this turned out to be a really fun look. I think it would work very well for Valentine's Day. Definitely include your setting mist with it. I used the e.l.f. Dewy Mist. And just a really fun look. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you later. Bye.